Hey everyone, what's up? This is me, Clever, and in today's video, I will show you how to code a very easy Discord bot. So I'm going to introduce you to uh, making making Discord bots in Python. So it's pretty easy. You just need to follow some things, and yeah. So let's go. So first of all, I will assume that you know basics of Python. I won't get into deep I won't start explaining basics of Python here, so I will assume that you have Python installed on your device and you know its basics. Okay, so first of all, this is my VS Code. You can use any code editor like Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, anything. First of all, you have to create a new file and let me save it as maybe here. Let me say bot.py. Okay, so now you have to okay, sorry for now you have to open the terminal. This is my terminal, and let me just decrease its window size. First thing is we will have to install the Discord module, so you will do pip install Discord. It will start installing. If you do not have installed, then it will start the installation process. But as I am already doing this, I'm already making bots, so I've already installed this module, so it says requirement already satisfied. Yeah, so that's alright. So now we will import the module. We install that module, so we are going to import that also. We will have to import that. So right, import Discord. And now we have done this process. So before that, we will have to create an application on the Discord developer portal. So as you can see, this is my Discord developer portal. I have a lot of applications here. So I'm going to create a new application and we'll say, what should I name it? Yeah, let me name it Clever only. Okay, create, and you can choose a neat icon or any icon you want to. Maybe I will select any random icon which I get. Maybe this one. Which one? Bro, I have so much of random photos inside my device, I just cannot tell you. Maybe let's keep it with this one. And you have to go in bot and click on add bot. Yes, do it. Here we go, our bot has been created. So first of all, you have to go in auth 2 and click on bot, and then just copy this. So basically it's the invite link for your Discord bot. With this you can invite it in any of the Discord servers. So let's add it to Astro. Yeah, Astro is my main server where I code, like it's kind of a data center or the center for all of my bots. So as you can see, Clever has just slid into the server. Our bots here. Yeah, this is our bot. So now let's code it. First of all, we will have to write client equals to commands dot bot command. Okay, command prefix equals to. Okay, so yeah, apart from import Discord, you also have to do from discord.ext import commands. We have imported the commands and now we can start writing the commands for our bot. So client equals to commands.bot. So this means the commands of the bot which we will make will have the command prefix of an exclamation mark. You can literally keep anything, either it is a exclamation mark, either it's a number, either it's a symbol. So what a command prefix means, so command prefix means like, let me give you an example of dank member. Dank member is not here in this server, where it is. Yeah, bruh, bruh, I just showed some of private servers. Okay, here we are. So for dank member, if you write please beg, or anything. So please is the prefix, so you can keep it please and a space, or whatever you want to. So let me keep please and space, just taking a reference from Dank Mimar and trying to give you an example. And now we have client equals to commands dot bot command prefix, and now we will also have to run this bot. So we will write client dot run bracket and the exclamation marks. So now you have to head back to your Discord developer portal, and here, as you can see in this, you have to go to bot and click to reveal token. Here we have to copy this token. Make sure that this token actually acts like a password to your bot, so it should not go outside anywhere, like it should stay private only. By chance if you kind of open source your bot, so make sure that you remove this token. So like what will happen if anyone else gets access to this token, then they will be able to control your bot any way they want. They will be able to they will have the full ownership rights of the bot, like until you change this token. If you regenerate this token, then this old token will stop working. So by chance if you leak this or it gets leaked anywhere in the public, you should regenerate and get a new token and then run your bot. Okay, so now we are going to run this bot. Yeah, run python file in terminal. So okay, well, we need an indication to say that if the bot is online, then it kind of prints a text or something. So we will write an event code. So how it goes: client dot event and async def on ready print bot is online. Now what does this code mean? The client dot event, so basically this is not a command, it's an event that when the bot is ready, the bot is online, then it has to print this text that the bot is online. Like you can keep any kind of text here. I just kept this one. So okay, so let me shut it up. Okay, let's run this again. So if the bot comes online, then it will show that the bot is online. Here as you can see, bot is online, so that means let's head back. As you can see clever here, our bot is online. It has no usage now, it has no utility commands or anything, but the bot's online, so that means we are going in the right direction. We can start working on its commands. Okay, now the command code: client dot command async def. Let's make a sample one, a simple command. So it says hello ctx await ctx dot send. Hey, this is a very normal, a simple, very simple command. Bot is online, so now we can test it. So what if I write please hello? Hey, so as you can see, the bot replied on please hello. So that means that what this command is working. So now let me explain you what does this piece of code means. At the rate client dot command, so as we have declared here, client is our bot. Client has all like our, it is kind of a variable where all the bot commands will be stored, or events. So we are writing client dot command async def hello. This means that it is defining what hello means, and ctx means for context, and await context dot send reply to this. So if please hello, like if we use this command, then the bot is going to reply with this text. This is how you're going to make your further bot commands. So now if I make one more command, client dot command okay, I did something here. Yeah, so async def, what should I write? Okay, my mic just fucked up. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. So what should we now write? What command should we make? Mention, or yeah, maybe, yeah, I got an idea. So basically we will now modify this command. What how will we modify this command? So I have put an f string here. Let me maximize it a little bit. I have put the f string here just because, so that like you can also use the plus signs, but I use f string, it's kind of good for me. So now what we're going to modify in this is that if the user writes hello, we will write hey, and we will mention the user who sent the text. So now as we have used the f string, we will use curly brackets and we will write ctx.author. ctx.author means ctx, the context means the message, and author means the user who sent the message. So he or she is referred to as the author. Let me restart the bot. Bot is online. We'll write please hello. So as you can see here, we didn't got a mention right now. It just wrote our ID, our username. So if I put an at the rate sign here, and we again write please hello. Okay, I'm sorry, I just forgot one thing. To mention the user, you can write ctx mention. That means that the user will be mentioned. As far as I know, yeah, this is only how it works. Yeah, as you can see, we are being mentioned now. Like, this was just the user, it was just printing the username, but by using the dot mention args, we got the mentioning of a username, so that like we're mentioned now. This is how, like guys, this was the very first video on this channel. Like I have uploaded gameplays and sort of things like that, but I will try to upload useful videos, kind of tech tutorials or something like that on this channel. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, share it to those who want to learn Discord development, because I will make a lot more videos regarding this topic. See you in the next video guys. Goodbye.